Man believes missing daughter is buried in NH basement NBC Southern California. Father of missing woman believes remains are buried. Link to this video. Embed this video. More videos. 1 of 9. 15 years after her disappearance, the father of UMass Lowell student Maura Murray says he believes her remains are buried in a New Hampshire basement. Saturday marks 15 years since a University of Massachusetts Lowell student crashed her car in New Hampshire and was never seen or heard from again. On the eve of the anniversary of Maura Murray's disappearance, her dad tells NBC 10 Boston he's the closest he's ever been to finding his daughter's remains. Anybody? On the night of February 9, 2004, Maura Murray crashed her car into a snowbank along a country road in Woodsville, New Hampshire, and vanished without a trace. A surveillance video released by a transit authority in Cleveland shows a man stepping off a train to smoke a cigarette and then frantically chasing after it when it leaves the station with his baby on board. When? Maura Murray's family has been searching for answers ever since she disappeared, and now, her dad has news to share. In early December, he paid for 2 cadaver dogs and a radar specialist to search a private property near the crash. Murray says he wasn't able to search this property until a new family moved in. He tells NBC icy roads could be to blame for a school bus that lost control and flipped onto its side Wednesday afternoon in Kansas City, Missouri. 3 students, As part of the search agreement with the new owner, Murray promised he would not publicly disclose the exact location. He believes his daughter is buried in that cellar. Maura Murray was a star athlete from Hanson, Massachusetts, studying nursing at UMass Lowell. It was around 7 p.m. that February night when, according to her family, a bus driver saw her crashed car, and stopped to help, but Murray waved them along. Data from NASA and NOAA show a continuing pattern of the global temperatures rising since 1880. The 3 hottest years. The New Hampshire Attorney General's office says it's aware of Fred Murray's recent alleged discovery in the nearby basement. In an email to NBC 10 Boston, Associate Attorney General Jeffrey Strelzin said, Murray says he doesn't believe them. Murray is calling on New Hampshire State Police to go back into that house. Just days after Hill's Pet Nutrition voluntarily recalled select canned dog food products due to potentially elevated levels of vitamin D, more than a dozen dog owners have come forward on the company's Facebook page saying their dogs have either become sick or died after being fed the food. But in his desperate quest for closure, he says, if necessary, he'll find a way to do it himself. The Murray family is asking everyone, everywhere to join them in lighting a candle at 7:30 p.m. Saturday to show Murray text plus.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.